destroy your island. Win a race and win a place living on Argos. Behind the walls of our generous founders. Your safety is one race away.
Boy, the world's brutal. The founder's safety comes with a price. A death race. You win, your people are granted entry. But lose, your island is stripped bare.
What is beyond the storm horizon?
The truth.
Neb, you gotta see this. They call him Hammerhead. Legend has it, he actually broke through the storm.
It was more than just a story. To me, it meant hope.
You have nothing to fear. We've made everything beautiful.
I'm going to see what lays beyond.
Attention, islanders. The storm is coming.
4, 3, 2, 1. I have seen a rider enter the storm, and destinies revealed to them.
This is our war.
Send every spy
And hunt him down!
The islanders do not need myths and legends. They need the Storm Rider.